P. Diddy, Puff, Love,
Puff,
Daddy.
Daddy.
Guilty or innocent? What
The
do you guys,
rabbit hole just gets deeper every day.
man?
Uh,
I mean, there's
if-
if you don't go on the Twitter and search P Diddy. Don't,
No.
because there's so many videos, so many things. It's like just save yourself.
I love the meme. P. Diddy is the first black man that no black people are on his side. Even OJ had half of the black population on his side.
Of course, yeah.
R. Kelly had the black population on his side.
Bill Cosby,
Bill
Yeah, Bill
Cosby.
Cosby.
Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson when he
P. Diddy is the only man that I don't see anyone coming out in support and saying he's innocent.
And you know, I kind of feel like that is saying something.
It's saying they
I
all
feel like
knew.
that's saying something.
It's saying they all knew. That's what it's saying. They are. I feel like they're all culpable. You know what I'm
Could be.
saying?
But who's the judge? Who's the judge? Who's the actual judge?
We'll find out. We'll find out in a few months. We'll find out.
I heard I've heard so many things about why he might be indicted now. Because tell me if I'm right. They said that he won't be getting bail, right?
They denied him $50 million bail, I think.
Look at $50 million. Look at that. Why?
Yeah.
What I think because this man, he loves to use a camera, he loves to record and all of these things. You know what I think?
Yeah.
I think he has videos of very important people very high up, and they want to get these videos out of existence right now. So they're not giving him any leeway to even be free for 5 seconds.
I mean, keep in mind that in some of the parties that he did before, Donald Trump was part of those parties.
Look at this.
Donald Trump is immune.
Hey.
This is the
And
man
all of a sudden, Donald Trump is running for president, and P Diddy gets arrested. Conspiracy.
But
Yeah,
I think Trump was also in on the Epstein thing as well. You know? I think he had something to do with it. But that brings my
but
I was gonna say that brings my
continue.
moral dilemma for today. Would you rather? Yeah, moral dilemma for both of you today. Would you have rather gone to Epstein Island or go to Diddy's freak off party? Which one would you choose?
I would have gone to Michael Jackson's Neverland.
Yeah, better there than any of those two places.
You're too old. The age limit. Neverland is for 12 and under. You're too old.
That's for the Catholic Church. That's not for Michael Jackson.
But seriously, which one would you pick? If you had to pick one, Epstein's Island or Diddy's freak off parties?
Davian.
Oh man, I don't know.
Those are two places where I just don't see myself, dog.
Yeah, but you have
I
to
don't
pick
see
one.
myself on Epstein's Island doing what? And I don't see myself in P. Diddy's party.
Let's change up the question a little bit.
Yeah.
If they told you, yeah, man, we're gonna take you high, but you gotta come to the party, then what? What? Look at me.
What kind of party is it?
What kind of party this?
Apparently,
The P. Diddy party, right?
You can go in the party. You just don't leave the main area, or you wait until a certain time and you leave early.
Yeah.
If that's even possible.
I heard a security guard say that like they would spike all the drinks, even if you were not aware of the drinks. Like even if for 1 second you turn around, boom, spike. There was like you couldn't save yourself. Like there was always something going on. That's what I heard from a security guard that was posting videos on Twitter. He was saying that everybody's drink was always spiked. Something was going on. So.
But that means if everybody's drink is being spiked and you keep going back, you're just as guilty. Guilty because
the party nice, Davi. The party is nice. I guess even if you try to get a bottle of water, this bottle of water might have something in it. They want everybody to be on the same frequency level when they're partying there.
You heard big stars like LeBron James say there's no party like a Diddy party. I mean,
no,
I've heard this.
Yeah. LeBron said it. He said it.
Speaking of the celebrities, then I feel like Diddy has a list because this is a court case. He will have a list because parties have guest lists. Which celebrities do you think are like shitting themselves right now, wondering when did his list get released? I'll be on that list of the freak-out party.
I mean, I say LeBron. LeBron's already there, and all the rappers,
all the rappers,
all the rappers, all the rappers. J. Cole, like all the rappers and stuff.
Yeah.
Even Drake. Drake is gonna come out there, and after Drake comes out on that list, Kendrick Lamar is gonna be making another song.
Unless
they not like us part 2.
Yeah. What?
But Tony, which Jamaicans do you think are on the list? Any Jamaicans?
All right, let me tell you. Elephant Man, maybe. Beanie Man.
Shizzle Man, Nizzle.
Bounty Killer, maybe Bounty Killer, maybe.
By the way, I say
Sean Paul.
Shaggy.
All of the big ones.
Shaggy
for
is
sure.
there. Yeah, man. Those are all I can think about right now.
Might be on the list.
Because I'm thinking about Jamaican artists who had success from between 2000 to like 2007.
Yeah, early 2000.
You know, early, yeah.
But I don't think in that period he has had the same level of power. Most of his power, I would say, come after 2010, 2014, the last 10 years.
He still used to have the parties. He's been having these parties.
Yeah, but we don't know when the party started. Because if the party started younger, he had like Usher living at his house as a 16-year-old, as a kid, you know. Justin
Bieber too. Yeah. Well, somebody asked, which singer do you hope is not on the list?
Do I hope he's not on the list?
Yeah.
To be honest, I hope all of them is on the list. I'm here for the drama. I want everyone on the list, and I want them to upload the entire catalog.
I just hope that like they don't come up with a list like like big names for like Michael Jackson maybe, because like Michael Jackson used to
Michael Jackson has his own list.
Yeah.
Watch list.
No, stop throwing dirt on Michael's name, please.
Oh man.
As I said, Michael, R. Kelly, Bill Cosby, those are the few that black people actually support, and I don't see any black people coming out to support Diddy. None.
No.
Diddy is the first rich man that's guilty.
Well, I mean, if you think back in time, like back when Notorious B.I.G. got killed, everybody blamed P. Diddy that he has something to do with it.
Yeah.
And that ever since then, people were like, yo, that P. Diddy dude, all of a sudden B.I.G. died and he just rose to fame. Like something iffy about that. You know what I mean?
He man Suge Knight.
Yeah, but Suge Knight did an interview recently and he was saying like people knew all of this was going on. Diddy is no innocent person or anything like that. And that's
Kanye West said it.
Yeah.
Kanye West said it, and people were like, oh, you crazy. And Kanye West was like, yo, I told you guys. I told you guys from a while back.
I guess this is an open secret.
Exactly. Nobody had a problem with it because they were all making money and rising to the top. So everybody was... We know what Diddy parties are, and you know when to go, and you know that you need to lube up.
Baby oil.
Baby oil.
Yeah.
You guys seen those memes? You guys have those memes on TikTok right now where people go to the store and they look at the baby oil and they pick it up and they're like, and they see P. Diddy in the background.
Yeah. Like, Johnson & Johnson sales gas skyrocket.
It's true. That's true. Yeah.
Skyrocket.
I don't even feel like Diddy actually knew what happened at his party some of the time, because there was this interview on the Breakfast Club.
Yeah.
Wait. There was this interview on the Breakfast Club where Charlemagne, he played a voice note for P. Diddy from one of his parties, and P. Diddy was like, when did this happen? Like, when did this actually happen? With him actually saying something to somebody.
No. The thing is, Diddy wanted to be the man to facilitate things. He's the facilitator. He creates the room. In this room, we have the orgies. In this room, we have the goats and the sheep for those kinds of guys. In this room, we have this. That he facilitated. He's a facilitator. He's an industry man.
He's like the old school MTV show. Like, hey, welcome to my crib, and he starts showing everybody the rooms.
Because everyone can. You know why people also aren't a fan of Diddy? Diddy's like a man that got rich off other people's talent. People don't really like people like that. It's like it's like he's successful, but we don't really like him because why is he successful? Like, you know, he made a few good beats, but outside of that, why is he this successful?
But Davian, if you say that now about P Diddy, you can say the same thing about, for example, Jennifer Lopez.